Hi Amira, today you and I are going to talk about effective study approaches. In my opinion, project-based is one of a good way for you to study with your friends. You can do an experiment such as science project for you to understand the concept of ecosystem and climate change. You can also apply the components correctly for you to learn and teach your friend at the same time. What do you think of my point?
It's a great point, Atira. Other than that, study in a group is an effective study approaches. When you study in a group, you get a chance to discuss different ideas and clarify the concepts with the certain subjects. For example, when I was studying for my accounting exams, my study group will meet once a week at the cafe and discuss difficult topics. And I found that the discussion is make me my understanding better. How about you, Atira?
I think you got a point there. Next, the effective study approaches is doing exam paper drilling. Usually, I always practice the exam past year papers to understand the format and patterns of the question that I might face in the exam. So, I can feel more confident and comfortable with my answer on the actual exam day. What do you think of my point?
It's a great point, Atira. Other than that, online tutoring also an excellent method. By online tutoring, students can achieve personalized assistance by social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Google Meet. For example, I usually use social media platforms such as TikTok to learn about something that I don't know and to improve my understanding. How about you, Atira?
That's a great point. Lastly, I think field trip is one of the good study approach for you to go with your friends. By visit a historical museum with your friends, you can see the artifacts and structures with your own eyes, so you can visualize it during your exam day. Do you have any other idea, Amira?
Yes. Last but not least, peer coaching is an excellent method also. By peer coaching, students can teach each other about certain subjects that they don't know. For example, in English class, you can teach me with essay writing and I can teach you with grammar. This mutual exchange can improve our understanding better. That's all from me, Atira.
That's all from us, teacher. In conclusion, we have decided that study group is the most effective study approach for you to do with your friends. It is because you can ask your friend directly when you don't understand the topics or some question for you to get the answer correctly. What do you think?
Atira is right. If you study in a group, you can learn together and understand the concept and try to improve your understanding than before. That's all from me.
In my opinion, I really agree that support system is really important because sometimes at school, we do have some problems with our friends. So, our own family can be our support system with their comforting words. What do you think?
I think support system is significant to avoid depression by outing with our friends or playing badminton. So, in my opinion, support system is important to take care our mental health. That's all from me.